Amazon is entering a new era. Early automation is taking over.
Leaked documents reveal plans to replace human labor with robots.
Over 600,000 jobs could vanish within 10 years.
Meet Sequoia and Digit, robots designed to think, move, and replace humans.
By 2033, Amazon aims to automate 75% of its operations.
The company expects to save $12 billion in just 2 years.
Amazon says it's not a layoff plan, only an internal projection.
Experts warn this could be the worst in last month.
X could be the biggest job shift in modern history.
For every robot that enters, another worker might lose a future.
Technology brings speed, but at what cost to human livelihoods?
The rise of AI is reshaping industries across the entire planet.
This isn't just Amazon buying. It's the future of global work itself.
The question remains, progress or unemployment crisis?
The age of machines has begun.